next topic, that is Eastern Coastal Plains. What we are talking about now? Eastern Coastal Plains. The name is telling the coastal plains in the east direction are called the Eastern Coastal Plains. So, like this is the southern part of our India. Okay, this is Gujarat and here Tamil Nadu and here West Bengal. Clear? So, the areas in east direction, the plains, the coastal plains are located. They are called Eastern Coastal Plains. And I have written here also that these are Eastern Coastal Plains and these are Western Coastal Plains. They are located in the Arabian Sea and they are located in the Bay of Bengal. Why? Because here Arabian Sea is, we can locate there, and here Bay of Bengal we can locate here. And this is south direction, and the Western Coastal Plains and the Eastern Coastal Plains meet at a point that is called Kanyakumari. And here this point is called Kanyakumari. Okay, and this place that is surrounded, we can say that is surrounded by Indian Ocean. Why? Because this is in south direction, and in south direction there is Indian Ocean. So the total length of this coastline from here to here, okay, that is 6100 kilometer. 6100 kilometer. It means 6100 kilometer, and these are called Western Coastal Plains. And this line, where I have drawn this line, that there are Western Ghats, and this side there are Eastern Ghats, and these are Western Coastal Plains, इसके बीच का part, okay, and their width is 65 kilometer, where the width of Eastern Coastal Plains is 120 kilometer. It means length है completely, that is 6100, and their width is 65 kilometer and their width is 120 kilometer. So this was your map. Now we are coming to the point. It stretches from, these coastal plains stretch from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. Here Tamil Nadu and here West Bengal. So it stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. Now, I hope this is clear to you all. It stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. Yes.
So here we are discussing about Eastern Coastal Plains. Here these are okay. So these are Western Coastal Plains and these are Eastern Coastal Plains. These are Western Ghats and these are Eastern Ghats. So the Eastern Coastal Plains extend from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu coast in the south. Okay, and they are lined between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. These are Eastern Ghats and this is Bay of Bengal. So they are lined between. Yes, they are situated between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. Correct. And these plains are divided into two parts. How many parts? Two parts. So two parts में divided है. So these states we can include these. इन्हें हम कहेंगे. These are called Coromandel coast. Okay, and the upper side, that is called Northern Sircars. This is not northern. This is Northern Sircars. तो ये areas, these coastal plains are known as Coromandel coast. Okay, and these are called, जो left out, these are called Northern Sircars. Okay, and these plains are broader. Obviously they are broad. Yes, but they are broader than Western Coastal. Obviously they are narrow and they are broader. Okay, so these plains move across the West Bengal, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and last is Tamil Nadu. And here the sea waves are very strong and bigger. Okay, and there are two important ports. These are in Tamil Nadu. Which is important port? That is Chennai. Tamil Nadu में Chennai and जहाँ that is विशाखापट्टनम. विशाखापट्टनम. तो ये दोनों हैं. These two are the important ports of eastern coastal plains.
Now, climate and vegetation. What type of climate and vegetation mean? What types of crops can be grown, can be cultivated here, and what type of climate we can experience? I told you when we were discussing about the climate of western coastal plains that the areas near the sea, they will be experiencing hot and humid climate. Yes, so these areas are also near the sea, na? Then they will be having also hot and humid climate. So they have hot and humid climate. Okay, I told you in western coastal plains they experience a heavy rainfall in summer. Okay, summer monsoon mean the rain bearing winds. Okay, though so in summers. And in eastern coastal plains, the northern part of these coastal plains that experience heavy rainfall in monsoon, and the south part, okay, where Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, okay, where Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, there they receive heavy rainfall in winter. And this is an, we can say ki example meaning exception. This is an exception कि in Tamil Nadu we can say कि Tamil Nadu receives most of the rain, heaviest rainfall in winter. Okay, in winter, and they don't experience winter at all. Okay, but when we are experiencing winter in these months, then also they will not be experiencing winter. Okay, so at that time, when in the northern part there is winters, at that time Tamil Nadu receives heavy rainfall. Okay, so we can see that north part of the eastern coastal plains that receive monsoon, in monsoon season they receive heavy rainfall, whether the southern part receives the heavy rainfall in winter. So this part has heavy rainfall, a lot of rainfall. So obviously rice is the main crop which is grown here. Why? Because of the availability of water. How? Due to the heavy rainfall. So rice is the main crop grown here. And what are there? And obviously if the rainfall is that much heavy, then obviously the soil that will be found there rich in alluvium. Okay, so here soil rich in alluvium, which rich in alluvium. Now rice, I told you that rice is the most cultivated crop here because of the heavy rainfall. And what are the other crops which are cultivated here? These are sugarcane, coconut and rubber. Okay, sugarcane, coconut and rubber. Then next, farming and fishing. I told you in western coastal plains also that farming is their occupation, and this is telling, it is showing that farming is their occupation. But fishing, obviously if they are living near the sea, then obviously the fishing also will be their main occupation. So these are the two main occupations of eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. Okay, so this was your eastern coastal plains. I told you when we were discussing about western coastal plains that this topic is so easy if you listen to it carefully. So listen to me carefully and just pay attention to me, and then the topic will be clear to you all. Now I'm giving you some questions related to this topic, Eastern Coastal Plains, and you have to do the answers of these questions in your classwork notebook and then send it in the group, share it in the group. I'm again telling you about the climate, hot and humid, same in Western Coastal Plain. Farming and fishing, same in Western Coastal Plains. And then rice, sugarcane, there are some other crops, or we can say vegetation. And in Western Plains there will be other type of vegetation. Then they receive, Western Coastal Plains receive the most we can say heavy rainfall in summers, but in north part of the Eastern Coastal Plain they receive heavy rainfall or rainfall in monsoon, whether the southern part of the Eastern Coastal Plains they receive heavy rainfall in winter. So this was your easy topic. Now here are some states which I am telling you that that are included in Eastern Coastal Plains. First of all, West Bengal, then Odisha, then Telangana, and then Andhra Pradesh, and then Tamil Nadu. Okay, so these are 10 states which are located on the coastline. So this was your topic. I hope this is clear to you all. Have a good day.